What is an ocean? Yeah, ocean is a very vast or large water body. A very vast, large and deep water bodies are called oceans. So what is an ocean? An ocean is a large, vast and deep water bodies. Now we have 5 oceans. We have 5 oceans. They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean. Okay, so the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean and the Antarctic Ocean. Right? So which are the 5 oceans that we have on this earth? The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean and the Antarctic Oceans. Now, which is the biggest among these 5 oceans? We said we have 5 oceans there. Okay, well and good. Now, which is the biggest ocean in this? Which is the biggest ocean? Ocean is, there is one or other speciality for every ocean. So the Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean. So which is the biggest ocean? The Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean. Busiest ocean means what? It's very busy. See, when we check the globe, we can see here we have America and here we have Europe and Africa. The ocean that lies in between these two is the Atlantic Ocean. So there are always continuously ships are moving up and down different parts. Okay, so it is very busy with the ship channels over there. What is it busy with? Ship services. Okay, so we call it the busiest ocean in the world. Which is the busiest ocean in the world? Atlantic Ocean. Which is the biggest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. Now the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the only ocean named after a country. Named after India. A country. Clear? The Indian Ocean is the name or the only ocean which has the name of a country attached to that. The name of a country attached to that is a Indian Ocean. Okay. Now, Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. See, when we draw the globe, imagine this is the earth and this is the axis. We can see this region, we have an ocean here. Okay, and this ocean is the Arctic Ocean. So Arctic Ocean is a very small ocean that is near the Arctic region. We know Arctic Circle. Okay, you'll come to know that, don't worry. So northern pole. Okay, so the sea that is found around the Arctic region or the northern pole is known as the Arctic Ocean, and that is the smallest ocean. That is the smallest ocean. And now we have Antarctic Ocean. It is also known as Southern Ocean. Okay, that is near the South Pole. In South Pole, we have a continent here. Okay, we'll tell you that. This is Antarctica. Okay, that is Antarctica, a continent that is located at the southern part of the world. And here we have an ocean, and that is Antarctic Ocean. Okay, so these are the 5 oceans. The biggest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the next one, which is known as the busiest ocean. Indian Ocean is the only ocean which is named after a country. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean, which is located near the North Pole. And Antarctic Ocean is also known as the Southern Ocean, which is found around Antarctica. Got it? I'll read it again. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic Ocean are the 5 oceans. Right? Pacific Ocean is known as the biggest ocean. It is the biggest ocean. Atlantic Ocean is known as the busiest ocean. Indian Ocean is known as Indian Ocean is the only ocean named after a country. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Then Antarctic Ocean is also known as a Southern Ocean. Clear? Now, we have another concept there, seas. Seas and oceans are the 2 major parts of the water bodies, isn't it? Seas and oceans, isn't it? Yes. So this we will discuss later. Now we will talk about seas. So imagine we have a globe here. Okay, and in that we have the continents also. Okay. Right? So let us think this shaded part is land. This is India actually. Okay, this is Africa. This is an American continent, which is seen only a part of that is seen here. Yeah, we need only that particular part. Don't worry. And here we have this Antarctica also. Okay. So as far as what we have seen just now about the oceans, we can say this is Arctic Ocean, this is Atlantic Ocean, this is Indian Ocean, and this is Antarctic Ocean. Okay, so this part actually forms this part actually forms the ocean. But when we check it over there is a smaller part, isn't it? Something is going in between these areas, no? So there is nothing else but this is the ocean part, and that is an extension of that. Okay, that is an extension of the ocean, or an additional part or a continuation of it. Okay, and that is located at the edge of the ocean. Okay, so this is ocean and it goes a bit deep into that. Okay, so such kind of water bodies are called seas. So seas are comparatively very smaller than the oceans. Seas are very smaller than oceans and they are situated at the edges of these oceans. They are located at the edges of these oceans. Okay, so seas are nothing else but smaller salt water bodies which are located at the edges of oceans, just like a extension. For example, this one, I told you this is India. Okay, this is India. Now we have a water body in this part, isn't it? What is this water body? That is the Arabian Sea. What is that? The Arabian Sea. Even Bay of Bengal is a sea. Okay, here in between Africa and Asia there is a small water body here. What do we call that? That is called the Red Sea. That is called the Red Sea. This water body which is in between Europe and Africa. This is Africa, this is Europe. Okay, so this is called Mediterranean Sea. Okay, see, this is Atlantic Ocean and this is an extension of that. Okay, so they are usually found at the edges of the oceans. So smaller saltwater bodies usually found at the edges of oceans are known as seas. And the major seas, for example, what we can consider is Arabian Sea or Mediterranean Sea or Red Sea, these kinds of bodies. Okay, so both these oceans and seas are colored blue in the globe. Okay, so the blue colored part on a globe are actually both these oceans and seas. Clear? Now we need to think about these parts. Which are they? The brown colored patches that we can see on a globe is called the land mass areas or the continents. What are they? The land mass areas or the continents on the earth are shown in brown color. Okay, so what is shown in brown color on the earth? The land mass areas or the continents. Now, how many continents are there? Got this concept, isn't it? Yeah, I'll rub it off. So what is a land continent? The huge land mass that are found in between the water bodies are called the continents. Okay, we have 7 continents.